If you're planning to stay at the Montebello Deluxe Hotel next time you're in Oludeniz, this video is for you. I'm outside the front. We're going to do a full walking tour and I'm going to show you everything this hotel has to offer, including the beautiful restaurant it has, the terrace, and of course the pool area. We're also going to try and see if we can see some rooms. So here we go. This is the front entrance, just to show you the lovely sign they've got there. And this is what you're going to expect when you first walk in. Mahaba. How are you?
I'm good, you?
Good, thank you. So this is the lovely reception area that they have here. It's really nice. It's nice and cool and peaceful in here, and you've got obviously a nice bit of seating. I mean, admittedly, you might be sitting here mainly when you're leaving on your last day, but hey, you can have a beautiful time while you are here. As you can see, beautiful pool. You've got some paragliders in the background, and if you need any quotes, you need some holiday package deals for this, I'm a travel agent as well, so get in touch, send me a message. I'm happy to give you some holiday packages and see if we can get you a good deal on this place. But let's go and have a look at this place, shall we? So here we are. This is when you first come out. You've got the pool area here, and we're going to show you exactly what you can expect. I've got to say, they've done a really nice job on this place with all the flooring and everything here, and I noticed as well they've got the disabled ramps as well, so if you have got a disability, it looks like they're catering to that as well, which is great. So you've got different blocks here. This is obviously one of the blocks that they have. So you've got overlooking the beautiful mountains, and you've got some lounges right here, and there's also this little pool. You can have a little splash in. Maybe it's for the kiddies. This is what it's looking like. And you see up there, you've got a terraced area as well, and also that is the restaurant. So let's go and have a little look at that. But yeah, let me know if you're thinking about staying at this hotel, because it's a lovely, lovely hotel. Just to show you as well, through here, they've also got the toilets and everything that you can get changed, and the showers as well, which is really nice. But yeah, this is the pool area. It's really nice. They've got like a little jacuzzi bit at the bottom here, and of course they've got the pool bar as well. Mahaba, Mahaba, how are you? You okay? Good, good, good. And they've got all the, got your cold beers, waters, everything in there, and you got all the other special drinks. You're saying, brother, good to see you. What's your name, brother?
My name is Harija.
Harija, yeah. He's gonna look when you come here. He's gonna look after you, isn't he? He's the number one man around here. The number one man. And what's your name, brother?
My name is Terrace.
Nice to meet you, Salajan. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. I'm Jamie. I'm just showing the people around, and yeah, you've got the vibes going on. Yeah, another little look at this hotel. They've got a big menu here as well. So you can see they've got breakfast. You get a full English breakfast for 650 lira. So it's roughly around just over about £10. They've got burgers, pizzas. You get a pizza for £10. Jacket potatoes as well. Grilled meats, pastas, snacks, wraps. They've got chicken fajitas you can get for just under a tenner as well. Salads. You can get salad for about £8 there as well. Very nice. And here's the jacuzzi that they have. They've got jacuzzi times 9 to 12 and then 1 till 4. This is really nice. Look at this. Very peaceful. Now guys, it's the 6th of May. So this is very early on in the season. I wanted to come out here and show you what it's like early on. So do not be fooled at thinking that the hotel's quiet. I mean, it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So, you know, people are probably out doing trips, doing whatever they want to do as well by the beach. But this is going to get really, really busy as the year goes on. And as you can see, also they've got more blocks over here. And one thing I will say, guys, is when you are out here, you're going to need to use mobile data. And now I have my own eSIM company called Arrive. Now I want to be number one in Turkey as the first country that we achieve, and we're everywhere, because it's my company, it's my little baby. I'm not promoting an eSIM on behalf of someone else. This is my thing, and I want you to try it out. So if you want to try out my eSIM, go to arrive-esims.com. Check us out. You can get a 10 gigabyte plan for £7, okay? And one big thing is that we are not illegal like a lot of the eSIM companies like Aerolo, Maya, Holofly. They're actually technically not allowed to be used in this country. You have to buy it before you leave the country. So in your home country, say the UK, if that's where you're from, You won't be able to get data while you're out here. But with Arrive, we're completely legal and you can use us, and we're going to be the lowest, I don't like using the word cheap, we're the lowest costing. So if you check us out compared to those price plans as well, we are the best price. So you're going to be connected completely, 100% high quality, and you're going to save some money, because having a phone abroad shouldn't be a luxury, it should be an essential. But anyway, back to the video. Here we go. Right, let's go and have a little look. So they've got a little bit of a seating area in here as well, which is really nice actually. This would be like a really nice coffee shop or something, but this is obviously like another chill out space that they have. And then let's go up and see the restaurant, and then I'm gonna see if we can see some rooms. So here is the main restaurant, and I've actually eaten here, so they do really good food. So here, Mahaba, how are you?
Hello,
how are you? And you've got we've got a beautiful bar here. Look at this. Take a seat, and you can just watch the world go by. We've got the main man here. This is the big boss.
Hello.
How are you, my brother?
Fine, you good, yeah?
Good to see you. Let everyone know who you are for the camera.
I'm the joint F&B manager here.
Yes.
We open now. Everybody welcome.
Yes.
Join us. We make the best holiday, best memories.
Yes, exactly. Yeah. He'll look at. He's always very good to me. He'll look after you when you come here as well, won't he? Exactly, my brother. Thank you. And we'll be able to. In a bit, I'm going to show you around. We can look at a room.
Yeah, of course, yeah.
We can look at a room. Right, he's going to told you. I told you he's a good man. So you got your big TV here. You can watch the football, and currently Everton are beating Man City. Go on, Everton. Look at this beautiful seating area here, and this is where you can have your breakfast, your lunch, your dinner. Everything is around here. Hello. How are you? Yeah, I'm good, thank you. Are you staying here, or are you?
Oludeniz, where you came yesterday.
Oh yeah. Oh, of course, yeah. Have you had some food here before?
Well, I've been here 27 years.
Of course you know the place inside out, then exactly. It's a great place. So it's good. I had steak here the other night. And it was really nice.
Staff.
Lovely staff, exactly. Thank you.
Take care.
See you later. Bye. But yeah, as you can see, this is the restaurant side. And just to point out where we are, so this is called what we call the Dolmus Road, okay? So this is the Dolmus Road, it runs all the way along, and this takes you all the way up to Saranu, and obviously take you to Fethiye, and of course it will take you back to Dalaman Airport as well. And the beach is right there. Literally, you can see it. You've got the palm trees, and the beach is there. So you're literally a 1 minute walk away from the beachfront. Perfect, and the strip is literally just over here. It's about a 4 to 5 minute walk maximum, but you're going to be seeing things all the way along. If you walk along the beach front, there's all bars, restaurants along there. I've got other videos for that, so if you check those out, then you can see all the amazing restaurants and bars that are along the front too, and the excursions and everything. But yeah, this is an amazing restaurant, and this is the legend around here. Everybody loves this man. Let everyone know who you are. Ramos, yes. Come on. He's gonna make sure that you have the best holiday.
Man.
He's gonna make sure, isn't it?
Of course.
Come on, Teshikule, brother.
Yeah,
Teshikule. So we're gonna have a little look upstairs now at the terrace area, just so you can show you, because there's a nice, peaceful terraced area that you've got to go and have a look at. But up here, you've got this is where the breakfast would be.
They said it will be open next week.
Yeah, exactly. So this is going to be open. I'm saying this is early on in the season, guys. So don't be fooled. It's going to be very busy, and this is where you'll be coming and having your breakfast. You've got your juices. You can get your teas, coffees, lattes. You've got an open kitchen. Mahaba, 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 mahaba. And then here we go. We've got this section here where, if you don't want to sit down by the pool and you want to relax somewhere different, you've got the terraced area as well, which is very nice. Look at this, really peaceful, isn't it?
Yeah, exactly.
Very peaceful. You've got some shaded seating over here as well, and you've got a toilets there as well, so if you need the toilet, you got it right there. You ain't got to go too far. Nice seating, and look at the backdrop as well. You got the mountains, and then you can see the pool from here as well, and everything they have to offer. Pool, jacuzzi, very nice. And see there's a bar here Is that a bar? Is it the bars can be? It's going to be open this week. So by the time you come, it's only the 6th of May. So by the time you come here, the bar will be open up here as well. So perfect. I'll just come here early to show you what it's like in Oludeniz.
You wanna see the room?
And we're going to go see a room, yeah?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
You can go
Oh,
here.
this way. Oh, the secret way. Can the customers come? Can everyone come this way?
Of course, of course.
Oh, so you can come this way. So you don't have to worry about. So you can literally come another way. Ah, we've got the room right here. There you go. Excellent.
There's a card here.
Oh, okay. This is room 1309. And also they've got on here so you can change. So if you want to just snooze, you can just tell them and they won't knock on the door. If you want a cleaner to do it, they'll come and clean your room for you. But here it is. Wow. Look at this. This is massive. You got a big bed. Look at this bath. And you got a beautiful proper coffee machine over here. Yeah, let's go and check out what they've got here. So they've got the wardrobe, plenty of hangers. You've got spare pillow, some flip flops down there as well. And then you've got proper coffee machine, kettle. You've got your teas. You've got the fridge, which is very important. And there's obviously some water ready in there. People always ask, is the fridge included as well?
Of course, yeah.
Yeah.
Fridge and safe key is included.
Fridge and the safe. Ah, so fridge and safe.
Charge in this here.
Yeah, okay. Oh, and you've got air conditioning as well. Is it extra for air con?
No,
or?
everything is free.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It's all included. So you've got the air conditioning as well, which is very good. Let's show you the bathroom. Whoa. This is nice. Very good indeed. Look at, I love the tiles. Nice. Nice toilet. Let's see how many people can get in the shower. We can get one person, 2, 3 people easily can get in the shower. They've got a nice big shower head. Also they've got shampoo, conditioner, body gels. They've got another head, so if you don't want to bring your shampoo and conditioner and body gels, they've got it here for you. Lovely basin. You've got a separate mirror as well. Towels, of course. And let's look back at this room, because this bed is looking very good. We're gonna have to do a bed test, see how comfortable this is. Oh, that's good. I shouldn't have done that. That's very comfortable. Yeah, that's nice. And it's good size as well.
Good size.
Okay, I'll mess it up there. Sorry. You got a sofa as well. So if you just want to sit down, chill out, and then look at this phone. You got a cool phone. You can be like, hello, room service. Very nice, I like that. And then you've got this cool bath as well. So, you know, you can enjoy the bath. Ah! I pressed the wrong one. I did the wrong one. Let me see. Yeah, that's it. You never give up. There you go, look, the bath will be filling up for you. And you can relax. And then, you've got the balcony. Oh, look at this, lovely. You got your 2 chairs here. 2 chairs, got your table, and then look at the views. So guys, this is May 2026. It looks good, right? What do you reckon? You're going to stay at the Montebello Deluxe, aren't you? I can tell. But thank you for showing me the room.
Welcome, my friend.
It's very, very good. Very, very good. I like it. But guys, I hope you have enjoyed this tour. I think, is there anything else to show in the hotel? I've shown everything now.
We can go to the reception side this way if you want.
Yeah. Well, what I'll do is I'll end the video out here. I'll end it with a view. Why not? We've got to do that. But guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. This is the Montebello Deluxe Hotel here in Oludeniz in Turkey. If you want any quotes for this hotel, obviously let me know. I'm a travel agent as well. I can help you out with booking this place. See if I can get you a special deal. And remember, use my eSIM, Arrive. So if you visit my website, arrive-esims.com, promise you, once you use us once, you'll always use us. We're available in 200 countries, so it's not just Turkey, it's everywhere in the world. Well, 200 countries. And yeah, you can use my discount code ARRIVE10. Check us out. But guys, from me, from the Montebello Deluxe, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more. I've got loads of hotel videos, so check the others out. I've got walking videos here of Oludeniz. got walking videos of me in Thailand everywhere. So yeah, until next time, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.